Tres Leches cake from scratch with perfectly balanced sweetness. This cake is soft, moist, and soaked in sweet milk. And the best part? You can make it right at home with simple ingredients. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hola amigos! Welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making one of the most loved desserts across Mexico and Latin America, Pastel de Tres Leches, or three-milk cake. While it's a very common dessert in Mexico, many stories trace its origins back to Nicaragua. If you want to read more about its history, stop by our website where you'll find the full recipe blog, and don't forget to check out our merch while you're there. Now let's get started! This recipe makes a full sheet cake that serves 5 to 7 people. For the cake you will need 5 large eggs, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. For the milk mixture you will need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of whole milk. And for the frosting you will need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm using a convection oven today, so I'm setting it to 375 degrees. But if you're using a regular oven, set it to 350 degrees. Now, while our oven is heating up, let's make our cake. First, I separated my eggs into 2 bowls. One bowl is for the egg whites, and the second is for the yolks. Now let's whip our egg whites. We add our egg whites to the bowl, and we set our speed to medium. We're going to whip these until they have soft peaks. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Let's check if our egg whites are ready. We want to check if they have soft peaks. So you grab a little bit and look, it keeps its form and it looks like it makes a little curl at the end. So I think we're ready. Now let's add our egg yolks one at a time. There's one, we let it mix all the way. And then we add our second. And we keep going until we're done. Now that our egg yolks are mixed in, we add our vanilla and we add our sugar, but we want to sprinkle it a little bit at a time. Otherwise, if we throw everything in at the same time, we'll destroy the puff we just made. Our egg mix is ready. Now we're going to add our flour mix, and that's the flour, baking powder, and salt. We're going to sift it, and then we're going to add it and fold it in. I'll show you how in a second. We're done with our mixer. So let's take our batter out of the way, and we're going to mix in our flour. Here we go. We want to make sure that we keep the fluff in. So when we mix in the flour, we want to fold it in gently, a little bit at a time, until all of it is folded in. We've folded in our flour and now our batter is ready. So we want to place it in our baking dish. You want to place all of it as even as you can. I like to make my own batter because our Tres Leches cake should be spongy so it can absorb all the milk we put on it. Our batter is ready. Now let's place it in the oven. We're baking it for 20 minutes because I'm using a convection oven. But if you're using 350 degrees in a regular oven, you can bake it for 22 to 25 minutes. Now let's check if our cake is ready. Now grab your toothpick and poke in the middle of the cake all the way down. And if it comes out clean, then our cake is ready. I think our cake looks ready. While our cake is still warm, grab your skewer. You want to poke holes throughout the entire cake so the milk can soak through. Once we're done, we will set it aside and let it cool completely. We will then mix our milk. We add our regular milk, our evaporated milk, and our sweetened condensed milk. Once all these are added to our mixture, we're going to whisk them just a little bit to make sure that everything is well mixed. Once that's done, I put it in the fridge and let it cool while our cake is cooling. Now that our cake is cool, take your milk out of the fridge and pour it all over your cake. You want to make sure you use all the milk and distribute it evenly so it soaks all the way through. We're done pouring in our milk. Now we cover it with plastic wrap and set it in the fridge overnight. Now let's make the frosting. Add your heavy whipping cream to the bowl. There we go. and we set it at medium speed. We like to keep the topping lightly sweet so it balances out the rich Tres Leches mix in the cake. Once you see soft peaks forming, slowly sprinkle in the powdered sugar and keep mixing until it's all incorporated. The goal is a light, fluffy whipped cream, not too stiff, just enough to spread over our cake. Now we take out the cake that has been soaking in milk overnight. We're wrapping up, adding our topping, and now we'll finish it off with some fruit. We added strawberries here for freshness. And there you have it, sweet, light, fluffy Tres Leches cake, soaked in sweet milk and topped with fresh whipped cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, give me a sec. I gotta try this. I've been waiting. Totally worth the wait. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.